Hi, good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. Just a moment, let me share this link around. So we're gonna get started. Today, I'm very hopeful that money is going to be made. Money is going to be made. So, guys, good morning. Let me know where you are joining and connecting from. So, today's live trading session is going to be very quick. Confirm that you can hear me. Let's run with the speed of light. Let's run with the speed of light. Let's run with the speed of light. Okay. Yeah, I can see like three persons joining us for the session. It's just a moment, please. A moment. We are going to be going into the chart. All right. So, guys, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Please let me know where you are joining and connecting from. Today is going to be a great day. Today is a very good day to make money from the chart. Like things are already rolling. Things are. I just want to hear me. Let's roll. All right. So let me know where you are joining and connecting from. I'll be going straight into the chat because we don't have a lot of time for the activity today. All right. So last week, the trade that we took was one pending order on GDP USD, but then that didn't trigger. So I mean, that's what we have in the market. So when you can analyze the market and the pair doesn't come to your POI to trigger you in, I mean, you look for another opportunity. So let me know, how has our week been? How have your trading week been? So from my own side, it's been an awesome week. Today is Wednesday. I took a trade on Euro JPY, which is like my favorite now. Took a trade on Euro JPY on Monday afternoon and it hit TP on Tuesday morning. And since then, I've not traded again. So it was actually a 1:8 arrow trade on Euro JPY. So I'm actually looking at Euro JPY this morning again. And in my private community, I already sent out a kind of my perspective and bias to the market. So maybe on this live trading session, we can see what we can do from there. So let me give out these three disclaimers before I go into the charts. First, you are not under any compulsion to take every trade I will be calling out for you, and to apply proper risk management. Three, not because maybe the signal or the setup I gave you the last time delivered maximally to make you leverage or over leverage your account. So what I'm saying in effect is do well to apply proper risk management. And please, if you are on this session and you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, I beg you, please go ahead and subscribe. So we are going to be making money today. Trust me, today looks good to make money. So let me go straight to the chart since we don't want to waste a lot of time on the session. But please, before I go forward, let me know if you are following me. Let me know if you can hear me. Just type something on the comment section. Type something on the comment section before I would proceed. Type something on the comment section before I proceed. Type something on the comment section before I proceed. Let me know if we are together. Let me know if we are together. Let me know if we are together. Type something on the comment section. All right. One comment, then I move. One comment, then I move. Let me know if we are following me, if we are together on this session. I can see three people joining from YouTube. I don't know how many people are connected to this live training session via Facebook. But before I go ahead, I just want to get a response, even if it's one person. Let me know that we are together. All right, so let me share my screen. Something is already cooking somewhere, which I wouldn't want us to miss, right? Okay, boom. So I believe you can see my screen. Let me do a top-down analysis on this guy. Then I can explain to us this pair, what I am looking out for on this pair. So this is actually Euro JPY. So we've been on an uptrend. The market has been buying, and see the trade I took yesterday. But then see where I'm expecting the market to get to. Now, if you go into 4 hours time frame, pay attention to these guys. 4 hours time frame. See what we have here. Now, this is a retracement, and resistance support level is here. So I'm expecting the market to retrace and keep pushing up to this point. Look at the point I was waiting for the market, but then that didn't happen. You see this flash sell to the downside. For me, is an indication that we are not heading up to this point. The market is interested in going downward. So what do we do now? Then on 15 minutes time frame, we can go to 5 minutes time frame. So we can see this flash move to the downside, breaking this resistance level here. So now you can now pull out your Fibonacci retracement tool, mount on it, then catch the retracement, because the market is no longer interested in going up. So look at what I was actually expecting the market to do. Play around this area, do this, retrace, reject here, and keep pushing up. But then that didn't happen. You can see this flash move to the downside. So this is an indication that the market is interested in going to the downside. The market is interested in going to the downside. So that's why I'm initiating a sell position here. So if you're on this session, before this trade leaves you behind, enter Euro JPY, sell, instant sell, instant sell, instant sell, and this will be your stop loss. Maintain our stop loss, maintain our stop loss. This will be 30 pips stop loss for you. For me, is 20 pips SL for me. So instant sell on Euro JPY. Instant sell, let me write it out. So if you're on this session, go ahead to sell Euro JPY. Instant sell. Let me write it. Instant sell. Instant sell Euro JPY. Euro, that's UJ, my guy. So this is SL. Let me just maintain our SL. If you're on this session, enter now before the market leaves you behind. This is the SL here. SL at boom. Now, this is my TP2 where I'm looking at the market for me to take profits, for me to take profits. This is actually like this target here. Let me call it out for us. The TP, let me call it out for us. Let me call it out for us. TP2 at, yes. All right. So, guys, if you're on this session, do this and make money today. This is it. Instant sell on Euro JPY, and these are the coordinates here. These are the coordinates here. These are the coordinates here. Enter and swim in dollars with us. Swim in dollars with me. Instant sell on Euro JPY. SL 30 pips. Your TP is 90 pips. This is clear, accurate 1 is to 3. TP 90 pips, 1 is to 3. So this is what we are looking at for today. So enter and make money, guys. Enter and make money. We are already in on it. I'm in profit now. I'm in profit. So enter and make money. So so if you're on it, let me know. Share screen. Sorry, this guy is mirroring. Okay. So instant sell on Euro JPY, the signal has been called and given. So I'm very hopeful that we are going to make money today. Like, trust me, we are going to make money today. Trust me, we are going to make money today. So give me per suggestion before I go ahead to analyze another pair. Suggest a pair for me to look at the market for you. Suggest a pair. We are, wow, 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 wow. We are 8% on this session now. Yes, 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 yes. I'm already buying. I'm sorry, I'm already selling. I'm already selling. See my screen. Let me share my screen so you can see. I'm already selling. Let me share my screen so you can see. Enter now. I'm already selling. When I was calling out, you can enter now. Maintain the SL. So for you now, it's going to be 30 pips. For you now, it's going to be 30 pips. I'm already selling. So just for you not to miss the trade, just pick my coordinates that I typed out for you here. We have TP1. TP1 is 90 pips from the point you are entering. If you are entering the market now, TP1 is 90 pips. Then TP2 is this point. So for me, this is actually 1 is to 10. So guys, doing 1 is to on this pair is like normal for me. If I zoom out or if I shrink, see my charts. This is like the pair I focus on most of the. These are all win position. So not that I don't lose. So if I stretch back in time, you see the places I've lost on the pair. But most of the time on this guy, it's usually a blast for me. So look at the thread I was telling you guys about yesterday. This is a beautiful one. Is to 8 arrow thread on this guy, and I'm very hopeful that this guy is going to print a lot of money for us today. So let's go in it. But then, as I always say, please do where to apply proper risk management. Do where to apply proper risk management. If you are entering, enter now. So let me look at GDP USD. let me see what GDP USD is doing. Then so look at, guys, see the pending order we put yesterday last week, but then it didn't trigger. Even up to now, the market hasn't even triggered it. So I already closed it out. See the pending order, this one. So if I stretch this, it didn't trigger. It didn't trigger. So let me just do a thorough analysis on this guy, then we can proceed and move from there. So on a 4 hours time frame, look at where the market is. The market is actually at this key level. This my green line is a key level. Let me put a zone across it to serve as my support and resistance level. You know, support and resistance is not a line, but this is a zone in the market. So let me stretch this across. Then I will go to 1 hour, 15 minutes, do the refinement. Then we'll see what we can make out of it today. So the 1 hour time frame, refining on 1 hour time frame. Okay. So now pay attention to this. On 4 hours time frame, see where the market is. See where the market is. See where the market is. So this is another level too for consideration. Now, my perspective to the market is that if the market impulsively break this level, a retest of it, then we are going for another buy to keep following the market up. Now, but on the contrary, this is where the market is. The market is actually at our key level where we are considering to make a decision and take action. Now, when you go down to 1 hour time frame, you observe clearly what the market is doing. So this is that level. Now, see what the market is doing. Pull down, went up again. This is giving us a low. The market up again, taking out this last high just by little. So if you look at this, you can say that this is a double top. Let me put this. Okay, this is like a double top, no, but not clearly a double top. Now, see what I'm looking at for on this guy. If this guy does this, then I'll be looking for a short position. Let me take off this so it doesn't distract us. Now, let me pick this level here. Let me pick this level. So if this market keeps breaking down and a retest of it, we're just going to use a fib to track our retracement. Then let's say the market comes down to this point before it starts retracing. Then we can, this is where we can now use a fib tool because the market has shown that is now interested in going for a sell. So this is where you can now pull out your Fibonacci retracement to something like this. Then for me, I prefer 61.8. At 61.8, I'll be willing to enter the market. But for now, there's nothing that we are typically going to do on GDP USD. Now, these are the reasons. One, the markets have gone down to a point that we can't even enter for a sell. And you can't conclusively say where the market will get to before it will start retracing. So that's why you will just be patient to wait for price to keep acting. Then you can react to it from there. So let's say the market keeps going down. At any point you see that the market has started retracing, that is where you can mount your Fibonacci retracement tool and wait for the market to come to your points on the Fibonacci, whether 50% or 61.8. But me personally, I love using 61.8. It does work well for me. So for this guy now, GDP USD, just be patient. Wait for what the price will do. Wait for the price. Let me put a mark here. So if this guy breaks this point, breaks this, So the week two is also important for decision making. So if this guy breaks this week to the downside and start retracing, then it's valid setup for you to use a Fibonacci retracement tool. So, but then if that doesn't happen, then you can your bias may be shifted too. So this is for GDP USD. So for GDP USD, there's nothing on this pair. So just be patient and see what price does. So we can respond and react to it from there. Okay, let me look at our comment section. Oh, amazing, amazing stuff. Please, can you reanalyze that Euro JPY? Okay, I'm going to reanalyze the Euro JPY. Just a moment. So we actually 7 persons joining on this session now. This is YouTube. So I don't know how many are joining us from Facebook. Please guys, if you are following me on this live trading session, do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. So one trade has already been analyzed and given and is already printing money for us. So let's see how it goes. Maintain your stop loss and everything. Let's see how it's going to go. I'm very hopeful that it's going to be a winning trade on EJ. So let's go. So let me open it and reanalyze it for us. Let me share my screen. So even if this is what we'll get for today, I believe is a great one. If we don't need a lot of setup to make money in the market. Just one winning trade can be it for you. So let's see. This is what is happening here. So for me, I'm actually in profit, but I'm not sure that we that joined the session after 10 pips movement, we've entered profit, but I'm very hopeful that you guys are going to be in profit. So let me take the analysis. Sorry, I don't want to remove these markups. I wrote the coordinates here, but just pay attention. Let me shift the coordinates, then let me explain. So for Euro JPY, yes, we can say that the market is on an uptrend, right? Established. But when the market is on an uptrend, you can as well see a selling opportunity. But then you stand the highest risk because it's like you are doing a counter trend. But that doesn't mean that a trade setup for a sell on an uptrend is not going to be there. You can find a trade setup and you can have a beautiful trade, but then you can't conclusively say if this is going to be a long-term trend, a long-term sell if the market is on an uptrend. And this is you trying to catch a reversal. Now, in trying to catch a reversal in the market, you are at the highest of the risk and you are still at the highest of the profit if the market actually is reversing. So this trade, yes, we are not uptrend, but I saw a reason to go on a sell position. So this is the reason here. Let me explain on based on 4 hours time frame perspective. Then I go down to lower time frame to explain more, so you get it. Now, see these points. If you stretch, you will see that this is a key level here that I'm expecting that the market come to and tap in these points, this level. But then that didn't happen. See what the market did. This was a trade I took yesterday. This point is my TP, and this is where the market got to, then started retracing. Now, what I was looking out for the market to do is something like this. This serves as a retracement, then for the market to keep pushing up to this point. But then that didn't happen. Now, see what we now have the market did. The market retraced, then went up a bit up, then a splash sell to the downside. Now, If I go to my 5 minutes time frame, you will see that this is a support and resistance level, and the market aggressively broke it to the downside. So it's giving me a sentiment that we are going for a short position. So I had to pull out my Fibonacci retracement tool and entered at 61.8. So I'm hopeful that this retracement to this is 1.8, then we can join the market to the downside. So for me, my sentiment and my bias have shifted a little. So, but then we are on it. Let's see what happens. So I believe this is cleared for the person asking for a explanation on this guy. So that's it. That's it. So this session is not going to be lasting long. If you have not entered the trade, it have reversed. Let's see what happens. But I'm very hopeful. So go ahead to subscribe to this YouTube channel. We are going to be ending the session soon. So today is not going to be that long session that we have always had. So, but then any question for me, I'm willing to attend to us before I end the session. Any question, you can ask me any question bothering you around your trading journey or your trading career. Okay. Please, there won't be time to do any other analysis. I'm sorry. Next week, we are going to have a lot of time to attend to all the analysis. So, but for now, please just bear with me for the want of time. Thank you. So I just want to attend to question but no analysis. So if there is no question, then I will be ending the session right now. At the count of five, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. So you guys, you can always reach out to me. Please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. We are 8 in numbers here. I don't know how many people are connected to us on Facebook. Please do well to follow me on Instagram. If there is anything, you can reach out to me there. If you don't have any of my number or you don't have a form of connection on Green app. So that's it. So this is the place to be ending this session. So I'm hopeful that it's going to be a winning trade for us. Keep enjoying, keep trading, and keep making money from the forex markets. So till we see again, keep printing money. Bye, and do have a great day ahead, a great week ahead. So if okay, this one is the last announcement. So if you are in Abuja, I'm currently in your city, in our city. So do well to attend Traders Fest. I know that it's no longer a news for you. So Traders Fest is happening on Saturday. So look at the flyer, track the venue, and be there. If I want to see you there, I want to see you. So if you see me there, please do well to walk up to me. I would want to connect with you, shake hands with you, take picture with you. Then I believe, okay, as a newbie, is it advisable to select a pair to trade? Okay. Okay, let me just do a quick answer to this question. So is it ideal to select a pair to trade as a newbie? So as a newbie, let's say you don't have a lot of experience making analysis or doing your charting. So it's ideal to pick a few pairs. Maximum, the highest you should go as a newbie is 5, but staying on 3 is ideal. So just stay on a few pairs. So what that will do for you is that it will help you to really master that few pairs. Look at it very well, really master it so you can see what the pair is doing, not being everywhere and trying to trade the 28 currency pair. It won't do you good as a newbie. So the best for a newbie, in my opinion, is stay with few pairs. It's going to do you a lot of good than scattering your attention across the 28 currency pairs in the market. Just stay on a few pairs and master it. the goal and the idea of everything we do here is to make money. So if one pair, two pairs, or three is making you the money, stay on it. So till when you feel that you've mastered those few, then you can open your tentacles to more. So I believe this helps you, and if you do it, I believe it's going to be a great one for you. So guys, this is the place to be ending the session. Do well to enjoy your week. Keep trading and keep making money from